Bendrick. And we're 2/3 of Wilson Bendrick Hayes. Today we're in Bon Air getting ready to go snorkeling. I wonder what our brother Dan is doing right now. And that's a perfect segue of our literary term for today, which is onomatopoeia. That's a word that imitates the sound of a thing or action. Here's an example from our book, Dark Ender and Light Giver. They continued toward the column of smoke when the sound of clanking metal rebounded off the walls of refuse. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Leave us your favorite onomatopoeias in the comments below. And as they say in Bon Air, Masha Donkey!